Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to use the NatWest card reader. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to use the NatWest card reader securely and efficiently. Firstly, it is essential to understand what the NatWest card reader is and its purpose. The NatWest card reader is a small device that allows you to generate a one-time passcode to access your online banking account and authorize certain transactions. To start using the NatWest card reader, you need to insert your NatWest debit or credit card into the device. Make sure the card is inserted correctly, with the chip facing downwards and the magnetic stripe facing towards you. Next, you will be prompted to enter your 4-digit PIN. This is the same PIN you use to withdraw cash from an ATM. Enter your PIN carefully, as you will have 3 attempts to get it right. Once you have entered your PIN, the NatWest card reader will generate a one-time passcode. This passcode is unique to each transaction and can only be used once. You will need to enter this passcode on the NatWest online banking website to complete your transaction. It is essential to keep your NatWest card reader and PIN safe and secure. Never share your PIN with anyone, and always keep your card reader out of sight when not in use. You should also regularly check your account for any suspicious transactions and report them to NatWest immediately. In addition to using the NatWest card reader for online banking, you can also use it to authorize certain transactions, such as setting up new payments or transferring money to other accounts. To get the most out of your NatWest card reader, make sure you use it in conjunction with the NatWest online banking website. This will provide you with an additional layer of security and allow you to manage your accounts more efficiently. In conclusion, using the NatWest card reader is a straightforward process that provides an additional layer of security for your online banking transactions. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use your NatWest card reader with confidence and ensure your accounts are protected from unauthorized access. Remember to always keep your card reader and PIN safe, and never share your PIN with anyone.